Greetings from Södertälje. Yes, the beach adventures with Kris continue as we speak, and I am again on the sea. So today I must admit that the beach is not the best, as it is named Bränningestrand Badet, but yeah, it doesn't look that much of a nice beach. I was a bit curious how it's gonna look like, as I felt like it's gonna be bigger, but it is right in the middle of a housing neighborhood, and yeah, there is lots of people here having houses and making that the beach itself will be a bit smaller than usual. So yeah, not the best beach, but I hope that the water is at least very good. Beach to number 51. Currently it is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and the forecast says partly cloudy, a little bit of sun and rain as well. The water, though, I must admit, it looks amazing. Despite not having huge portion of sand, it looks stunning. So let's check out the temperature right away before I go in for a swim here in Södertälje at this beach, Bränningestrand. It looks like it's gonna be warm in the sea, indeed, as I feel it on my feet. So 17 degrees Celsius. 17 degrees Celsius. And to get to this beach, you need to take a bus, either from Södertälje Centrum or Södertälje Hamn or Södertälje Syd. And then there is a bus from there, from those stations. And obviously to get there you need to take the commuter train. But I wouldn't be returning here for sure anytime soon, as there are a lot better beaches here in this area, and I'm gonna head to them as well later, as I'm really enjoying and going in for a swim for sure. Yeah, so let's go in for a swim and check out how the water is here. As you can see, the Baltic Sea offers super nice water indeed. And now there is a father and son is going over to their island where they live. Right here there is an island in Södertälje that you can take a boat to get to. Yeah, this is the beach, Bränningestrand. Not so big, obviously, but it's good enough for a swim for the people that live here for sure. And it's on the sea, so that's a plus as well. So yeah, 6th of July, today is Sunday, and we're gonna be having a better weather towards the middle of the week. Until then it's gonna be super boring and depressing like it is right now. So ready, set and go. Yes, I'm in Södertälje and enjoying a nice swim in the sea for sure. So I'm going to be exploring a bit more of Södertälje, as I don't think staying here in this beach would be appropriate for me. It just doesn't feel right. I'm looking more for more wild beaches indeed. We'll be chilling for sure at some other place later. It just doesn't feel right when there are houses close to the beach. I'm more of a nature type indeed to enjoy. As you can see, there is an island over there that the people were taking the boat to. So yeah, it's quite interesting to take a boat to your house. That's very common in Stockholm. It's obviously on the water. So yeah, now it's time for me to explore some other place here that's a bit more beautiful. But yeah, greetings from Bränningestrand, well, more of a green beach, I would say, than sandy, but yeah, it does the trick. Thank you so much for watching this episode, the first from Södertälje this year, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.